Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elyce if you're new. I make lots of content about my experiences living overseas in Germany, but I'm also a really huge Apple fan. And today we are doing an unboxing for the iPhone 13 and it's just come in the mail and I'm super excited to be opening this with you guys.
I thought it would be like poetry, that feeling of when eyes meet. They said it would feel so easy, like how a bird takes to the trees. They've written the songs and films and books of how it would take just one timely look to dance and fall your way into love, and that's how you'll know he's the one. It feels like way back when. I wish I had known it then. There's no such thing as a soulmate, 'cause love is what you make of it.
So I've got the silver color and it looks basically white, which I'm really happy about because I just like the simplicity of a white phone. And let's take it out and have a look. Okay, so it feels quite heavier than my other phone in the hand. It's got the silver trim around the outside, which is so shiny. The cameras are so big. Here's a comparison to my iPhone 11. And so this is what comes in the rest of the box. I've got the lightning charger, no plug, and just the instructions. Of course, an Apple sticker. The paperwork, more paperwork, and we've obviously got this little thing to eject the SIM card, and that's all there is to it. Very simple.
All the way to eternity. I wish I had known all of this before. I wish I had known, but at least.
So it definitely feels a lot heavier in the hand, and I'm really happy to be going to the max size because I just missed having a larger phone. So here are the speakers down the bottom and the charging port, the silent switch, and the rockers for the volume, SIM card, nothing on top, and then the lock button. So this is the phone next to my face so you can get an idea of size, and this is the other side. So some of the features that I'm really looking forward to is the longer battery life. I've heard really great things about the Pro Max and how long the battery lasts. I'm also looking forward to the improved camera quality. Cinematic mode will be the dream for me because I use my phone to shoot some content for my YouTube channel, and I think that will really up my game with my camera quality. There is a macro mode for the camera, which means that I can get really close up with pictures and get really great quality, all the detail in those really close up shots, as well as improved zoom quality with the telephoto and optical zoom improvements as well. So the screen is 120 Hertz resolution, so the scrolling should be really seamless. I've got the iPad Pro, so I'm familiar with that smooth transition between apps, so I'm really looking forward to checking that out. So I'm ready to check this out, and I know you are too, so let's turn this baby on.
Girl, you know you got me dreaming. We could be driving fast with your feet on the dash. You're riding by my side, leaving all our fears in the past. And anywhere you wanna see what we could be on the map. It's only you and me, nothing to prove for me, yeah.
I really, really love the screen, guys. Like, it is beautiful. It's so clear, it's so crisp, and yeah, it's so nice and big. So while it's doing its last little touches, here is the case that I've got for the phone. I've got the Apple case, and it's the pink chalk one, which I think will look really nice paired with the white. And yeah, I really like Apple cases. I've had one on my iPhone 6 Plus, and it lasted me the whole entire time I had the phone, and it kept it really protected as well. I do like having a variety of cases, and when you put just like a new outfit on your phone, it kind of just, yeah, keeps things exciting. Oh, now it's got the bar. Just when you think it's there, it just starts all over again. Now this shouldn't take too long. It really shouldn't. Yeah, I think it's gonna take a while. Oh yeah, we've got a backup, people. We have backup. Okay, so now I just need to get the SIM card from my other phone and put it into this one. All right, we have action. I've put the SIM card in, and oh my gosh, this screen is unreal. Like, it is so much better than the last one. It's bigger, it's brighter. My apps are currently downloading, and everything is looking as it should. I don't know how long it's going to take for the apps to download, but like, oh my gosh, like swishing from side to side. It's just like, love that, love that. This is so nice. I have the worst internet, and so this is gonna take such a long time to download all my apps. Oh, it's just gonna be painful. Morning everybody, it's the next day. So last night my internet could not handle doing like a 30 gig update on my phone, or the transferring of the data. My internet is just not up to that. So I decided to cancel the transfer, and I decided to set it up manually. It did take a while to transfer. I had to airdrop my photos that I wanted across to the new phone, and then I downloaded the apps that I wanted, and then sort of set it up to how I had it on my other phone. So we've got action, which is brilliant. I've got all my apps on here now, and now I'm ready I haven't even turned on the camera app. I wanted to do it with you guys. So here, I'm going to turn on the camera app. Okay, so this is photographic styles, and so I can personalize the look of my photos, and the photos will be consistent each time I take a photo. So I can choose the standard, which is just what you get out of the camera. I can choose a rich contrast, vibrant, or cool. So for now, I'm just going to stick with the standard and see how that goes. All right, so here I've got photo, portrait mode, panorama, video, and of course, cinematic mode. So add beautiful shallow depth of field and focus transitions to your videos automatically. Yes. And as you can see, I get a really cool picture coming out of this camera. Some nice shallow depth of field in the background to really focus in on the Christmas trees. I love it. This is gonna be so nice, and I can see that it's tracking my face.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind.
So I've put on the glass sticker and the rear camera sticker and everything went smoothly, but I'm just really happy now that the phone is protected, and I've never had like a glass sticker on my camera before, so it just adds an extra layer of protection, and it doesn't actually hinder any of the camera. I've tried out taking some photos and it's still perfect, so I'm really happy with that. And so now I've got the pink case on my phone, and I think it looks just so pretty. I'm really happy with the color and it feels so like butter soft. Hopefully this keeps it nice and protected and look really pretty. So I'm really happy with the new phone. First impression of it, it feels and looks awesome, and I can't wait to try it out and test it out in real time, checking out the battery life. It definitely needs a charge after trying to do the update and adding all the apps and transferring all my photos. So I'm going to do a charge up today and then go out to the city and try to get some more pictures in there too. So thanks for watching my video, guys. If you liked today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see any more videos about the iPhone 13 Pro Max, then comment down below. I'll be back next week with another video. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you soon. Bye.
I know a girl who's so fine, she's running laps around my heart. She's more than perfect, she's not the type to go play a part. She came and killed